Hi, it's Neil from Ellen James once again, just doing some repairs, and I'm sure a lot of you do tiling, and this is what happens when you don't tile a floor properly. I don't know how long this floor's been down, maybe 4 or 5 years I would have thought, something like that. They've obviously spent an awful lot of money in this bathroom. They've got lovely tiles on the wall, lovely jacuzzi bath, and whoever's tiled the floor has just tiled it straight onto ply. And there you go, you can see that plywood clearly hasn't been sealed. But this here tile, it certainly had a crack across there. You can see this line through there. The grout, look at the state of the grout, all the grout's out. But just listen. All of the tiles are loose, and a couple of reasons for that. In my opinion, they've used the wrong adhesive. The bed is too big. Look at the size of that bed, really. The only time you use a big bed like that if you're using monster tiles, you know, 2 foot square tiles, 3 foot square tiles, 4 foot square tiles, or great big heavy tiles. But tiddly little things like this, they're only 300 by 500, something like that. And just a normal 10mm trowel, and but you need flexible adhesive that goes onto wood. Quite clearly that's not what's been used. As a consequence, the tiles have come loose, and all the grout's popped out. It looks a mess, but it's such a shame because it's a lovely sweet little bathroom. In my humble opinion, I would just rip it all up and start again, but I've been asked to come around, take out the broken tile and stick it back down again. I won't rectify the grout because in 5 minutes it probably won't even adhere to the tiles. By the time it's actually set, it'll actually start to crack. There's that movement in the tiles on the floor, so waste of time. So I'm just going to stick the tile down, and I believe the client's going to scrape all the grout out and maybe silicone it. There's some silicone up on the windowsill there, so maybe that's what they're going to do. But realistically, I think the tiles are going to pop up and they'll only be stuck together with the silicone, so it's flogging a dead horse, really. So the moral of the story is, if you're going to tile onto ply, make sure you seal it, and if you're going to tile onto ply, make sure you use flexible adhesive suitable for wood. Other than that, like I say, you're flogging a dead donkey. You're going to call somebody out in a couple of years' time because either tiles are broken, the tiles are popped up, or the grout's coming out. So anyway, look, that's it. I'm going to stuff a tile back in there, stick it down with some glue, and Bob's your uncle, stick the bath panel on, and away we go. Now the job bites the dust. So that's Neil from Ellen James. You can always check me out, incidentally, on my RecoBiz page. We've got a new page set up on RecoBiz now, so just waiting for some more testimonials to pop in, and then you'll be able to see what my customers say about my work. So thanks very much for watching. Bye.